Assalamu alaikum ji. On behalf of the admission cell, students and dues section, I welcome you all to the UET's virtual open day. I'll briefly explain the admission process. For details, kindly visit our admission portal, which is the same website through which you registered for ECAT. So there are 5 campuses of UET. The one in Lahore is the main campus. Our new campus is in Kalasha Kaku, and our satellite campuses are in Faisalabad, Narowal, and Rachna. These 5 campuses house 51 departments, which are grouped under 7 faculties. And these 51 departments offer 29 unique undergraduate programs. 25 of these are in Lahore. 5 each are offered in Faisalabad and Narowal. 7 programs are offered by KSK and 4 by Rachna. So if you add all of these, this is 25 plus 10, which is 35, plus 7, 42, plus 4, 46. So any student who is on who applies on open merit and does not apply in any category can actually apply for 46 programs online. The entire admission process is online. We'll follow exactly the same procedure that we followed for the ECAT, where you either purchase a token which is on the inside back cover of the prospectus, or you can get the challan, the token number or the challan number from by paying online through your Connect, HBL Connect, or your online banking applications. There are 3,525 seats for which the admission will be announced hopefully will actually open hopefully on September 20th. The process will be for 3 weeks. So from September 20th to October 11th, the admission will entertain applications for these 3,525 seats. Out of these, 400 are nominated or reserved, and the rest are on open merit, which are 3,125. The first merit list will be displayed on the 15th of October, inshallah, and we plan to start the first year classes by or before 8th November, inshallah. There are 770 faculty members, out of which 354 are PhDs. The undergraduate student body is around 10,450 or 10,450 exactly, actually, out of which 77% are males and 23% are females, and the graduate population is almost 3,000, out of which 88% are males. So your eligibility requirement for the admission process is, for application to the undergraduate programs at UET, is you need to have appeared in this year's ECAT. There is no passing marks, so your participation or you're just taking the ECAT is enough. Your FSE equivalent score should be 60%. It's not first division, it's exactly 60%. So you should have scored at least 60% in your FSE or equivalent, which means A levels or O level equivalent, whichever that is, or your BTech equivalent. And then your weighted average has to be 50. So weighted average has to be 50 means your FSE score is multiplied by 0.7. and FSE percentage actually is weighted multiplied by 0.7, and your undergraduate percentage is multiplied by 0.3, which means if you have scored 880 marks out of 1100 in your FSE, which is 80%, so 80 times 0.7 is 56. So you have actually 56 out of 70 marks in your FSE equivalent, and if you have scored again 280 out of 400 in your ECAT, which is 70%, so 70 into 0.3 is 21, so 56 plus 21 is 77. So this is your weighted score. So last year's merit list, minimum merit list, is available on the admission portal. So based on your score, you can actually see which categories you can apply to. But keep in mind that last year the merit was based on the first year and the metric, your score in the metric and the first year marks. This year your FSC score is primarily based on your elective subjects, in which probably students score a lot. Okay, so I don't think so there will be a lot of a positive correlation between your minimum merit and your score this time. We believe this year the minimum merit is going to be much higher than last year. There are open seats, there are open merit seats, and there are reserved seats. Some of the open merit seats are fully subsidized. They include the A1 category, and the fees per year for fully subsidized seats is 100,000 per year, almost approximately 100,000 per year. And for partially subsidized seats it is almost 3 times, which is 300,000 per year. Your hostel dues, depending on which room you are allocated, whether it's a cubicle or a dorm, and whether it's fully subsidized, your tuition is fully or the partially subsidized, the range is from 4,000 to 8,000 per year. This does not include the mess. So whenever you are applying, you need to bear in mind that you can apply for 46 programs at one time. So your prospectus fee, which includes the processing fee, is 1,500 rupees. But when you are applying, please bear this in mind, that the most important part is the preference list. Your preference list, as the name implies, is your preference. If you want to, if you desire to go in electrical engineering Lahore, then electrical engineering Lahore should be your first choice. In the preferences, this should be the first one, and then you can apply for other programs if you want to. But just keep this in mind, that the preference list, most of the students mess this up, that if they want to go to CS, they put it at their 3rd or 4th level, and they put some other department at the 1st level. But if you get somewhere in the middle of your preference list, you can go up during the other merit list. And normally we run 3 or 4 merit lists, but you cannot go down. So just keep in mind, this is the basic problem, or the basic problem that the hardship that the student faces is, you mess up the preference list, and then you come to us and then you say that you need to change the order of the preferences. This is not possible. So if you have any questions, I think our admission portal has a lot of information. We will also put the online the soft copy of the prospectus on the admission portal in the download section, which you can download from. Our contact information is also there. If you want to contact us, you can contact us through email or through telephone. Before I end, I am looking forward to welcoming you at UET. Trust in Allah, get vaccinated, observe SOPs, wear a face mask, and inshallah you'll be safe. Thank you.